Okay, so we're plumbing up the pump, the filter, the heater right now. And he's putting a level on the valve to make sure everything is straight and square. All of our pipe is scheduled 42 inch. A lot of pool builders use 1.5 inch. We use 2 inch for the best pipe available for this type of application.